Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. For those of you that don't know me, my name is Ali and we are here with, yes, of course, another unboxing. For this video, what we have here, it is our Boxycharm box for the month of January. For those of you that don't know about the Boxycharm box, this one here is a $25 a month box, and we are set to get 4 to 5 full-size items that are worth to be at least $120. So that's what I love about this box, that we get all full-size items. So this is our January box. Let's get inside to see what we got for this month. And like always, at the very top, we have our little pamphlet with our product information. This one says Breaking the Ice, which is the same theme that they had in their Boxycharm premium box. So let's see what they put different in this box, because from what I heard, they're not supposed to give you doubles of anything. You know, so if you get both boxes, you're supposed to get two completely different boxes. So let's see what they put in here for this one here. Oh, I'm gonna grab this one first. And actually, I just received this one not too long ago in I want to say one of my Ipsy boxes. So this is from Skin & Co. Roma, and it is a truffle therapy polishing micro exfoliating truffle face gamish or gamache. I also didn't know how to pronounce it then, but this is what the bottle looks like, and this is just an exfoliator. It's more on the creamy side. It almost seems like it has like little walnut ground walnut in it to exfoliate, but I do not think it's that, because I think that's too harsh for your skin. But this is our first product that we have on this box. Then up next, I'm gonna go ahead and grab this one. Ooh, this is a concealer. This is from Pretty Vulgar. And I got the shade 63, the middle ground. I think that's the shade. So let me swatch it on my hand really quick. I think this shade should be fine. It's nice and creamy. Actually, now looking at it, that is the shade there. It might be a little bit too dark, but I have to try it. I have to try to see what it looks like. But that is the shade that I got. It actually looks like it oxidizes. It's looking a little bit more orange now that I blended it out on my hand a little bit. So I hope it doesn't oxidize too much when I put it along with foundation. So this is the second item. Then up next, I'm going to grab this one here. What is this here? This is from Mana Kadar. Beauty Simplified. Is this a lipstick? Oh, duh. It says Lip Whip Dream. So this is why I was confused, because it's just a center with a black top and a black bottom. So it has a name on there, and you can unscrew this here and you have a little applicator. This is a nice soft nude pink color. That is the shade there. We'll see how it dries down. We'll see if it dries down matte or if it'll stay glossy like that. And then this is nothing. This is just the bottom. I thought it was going to unscrew. But we got a liquid lipstick. That is our third item. Then we have this one here from Glow Recipe. And I just recently received the face moisturizer, the watermelon facial moisturizer, something like that. And I actually used that one this morning, and I really liked how it felt on my skin. So what we have here, it is the Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. It's glowing, radiant, and softening. So that's what we have here. I love their packaging. It's really pretty. It is a very thick glass, but it has texture to it. It has texture to it. So it's not just a, smooth glass. It's really pretty. So that is it there. Yeah, and it smells just like watermelon. I love the scent. So we got a sleeping mask. So this one, it just says, apply as a final step to the evening routine for drier skin types. add an additional layer if desired. And then it says pat gently until absorbed, and then you wash your face in the morning and then you wash it off. We are down to our very last item, and it is a palette from Ace Beauty. I think that's how you pronounce it. This is the packaging from the box. We have actually received a palette from this brand in Boxycharm a while back. I think it was one of the first palettes that I received from them, and I really liked it. They had really, really pretty colors. So, ooh, these are really pretty too. And these are the colors that we got here. There's, you know, some of the pink, reddish, burgundy-ish family. But then we also have like the orangish, brownish kind of colors. And let me just get some quick swatches. Ooh, that is really pigmented. That's this bright orange. Let me see which other one should I get. I'll get this dark one here. Ooh, that's really pretty too. And I'll get this metallic here and see how they swatch. So this is the first one. Oh, that's pretty. This is the second one. Oh, a little bit patchy, but I'm also not the best at swatching. And this is the metallic. That goes on really, really pretty as well. So those are the three colors that I just randomly chose off of the palette. They're really, really pretty colors in here. So I'm excited to use these at some point. But this palette here is the very last item from the box. Overall, I don't know how I feel about it. I think they're good products. I know I will use... Well, see, this lipstick, I don't know if it's going to be a little bit too light for me. And then I don't know if this is going to be a little bit too dark for me once I put it on my face. But I think overall, if those two work, then I will be really happy. But those are the only ones that are kind of giving me a little bit of a doubt. But I'll see, how they work. So I'll give you the full size. I keep saying full size. I'll give you the retail prices for the products. Cindy? Okay, so the first one is the Pretty Vulgar Undercover Concealer. This one is $25. Then we have the Ace Beauty eyeshadow palette. This one is $34.99. Then we have the Skin & Co. Roma Truffle Therapy Face Gommage. I don't know how to pronounce that. This one is $28. Then we have the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Sleeping Mask. This one is $22. And then very last, we have the Monica Dar Beauty Lip Whip. And this one is $21. So what's the total? $130 with $99. Not too bad. For a while, Boxycharm, the overall value of the Boxycharm box had kind of been slowly crawling down. At some months, we were just over the $100 mark. But this time, we're at $130.99, which I think is not bad for $25 that we paid for this box. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. Those were all the products from the box, so that is all for me for today. I will be back really soon with another unboxing with one of the mini boxes that I get throughout the month. I will be back with another video. I hope I will see you guys back here as well, and that is all for me. Bye.